In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thumbnail with Chatgpt and Canva AI. This quick and efficient method will help you elevate your video thumbnails, making them more engaging and eye-catching, all within just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to Chatgpt. This incredible tool uses AI to help generate text-based content, and today, it's going to help us create a compelling description for your video thumbnail. Once you're on Chatgpt, think about the core theme and overall tone of your video. Whether your video is educational, entertaining, or informative, keying in these details will help Chatgpt craft the perfect text for you. Once you've entered your description and tone, hit enter and watch as Chatgpt produces a vivid text that captures the essence of your video perfectly. Make sure to copy this beautifully crafted text. It's going to be an essential component of your thumbnail design. Now, let's shift our focus to Canva. Open up Canva in your browser. If you haven't already explored Canva, it's a fantastic platform renowned for its user-friendly interface and versatile design options that can cater to any creative project. Once you've accessed Canva, look for the Apps section. This fantastic feature of Canva is where our design journey will continue. Within this section, head over to the left sidebar. Here, you can find various creative tools, but for today's purpose, type a image generator into the search bar. This tool will assist us in transforming the text you generated with Chatgpt into an appealing visual. Having located the image generator, it's time to create. Type in the image prompt that reflects the text we created earlier with Chatgpt. This prompt will guide the tool to design an image that resonates with the tone and message you want to convey in your video. Once your prompt is set, you'll have the exciting task of choosing a style. Whether you prefer something modern, nostalgic, or minimalist, select a style that aligns with your video's feel. Click on Generate Image and watch as AI brings your description to life visually. With a variety of AI-generated options in front of you, it's your time to shine as a designer. Browse through the options and select the one that you think best represents your video's theme. With your chosen design, start personalizing your thumbnail. Add your AI-generated text, adjust colors, tweak elements, and make sure everything aligns with your overall video branding. Finally, once you're satisfied with your new and improved thumbnail design, head over to the Share button on the top right. Select the Download option and choose PNG for a high-quality image. Within seconds, you'll have your beautiful AI-enhanced thumbnail ready to capture the attention of your audience. There you have it, a dynamic, polished thumbnail created with the help of Chatgpt and Canva's AI tools. Thanks for watching and happy designing.